Okay, check this out. You're looking at my iPad that I put in the wall. I'm using the iPORT mount. I'm not sure if you can find it on their site anymore, but I had to get mine off eBay. I will put it in a link. And I literally had to cut a hole in the wall and actually trace this out. You see me removing the panel off. These are the wires that's ran in the back, so I got power ran through the back through that little motherboard there, and I ran it through with CAT6. And as you can see, there's the serial number of the product that I have right there, and I ran that CAT6 all the way to my smart panel. They do have an easy way where you don't have to cut a hole in the wall. You could just use like a single gang box and just run your CAT6 wire in. I'll include all that in the description. And then here is in my smart panel, this the plug that actually you can put it in the wall, but I just jerry-rigged everything and ran it inside the smart panel. And it comes with a power adapter. Right here you're going to see me pull out my Wyze switch here, smart plug. I use this to only allow it to charge on Thursdays at 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. once a week. That way I'm not killing the iPad. So this is how I set it up, but they have better ways to doing it if you don't want to go through cutting a hole in the wall.
Good times, good flow, you know what I mean. From the music to the vibe, it's a brand new scene.
Click that button, don't you wait too long. Like, share, subscribe, come and sing along.
Doing what you know.